My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Tuborg. Tuborg is a ransomware that is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Tuborg ransomware encrypts files and damages them. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Tuborg ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware does its malicious job of file encryption. So it actually reveals this ransom note titled as Tuborg, and also the ransomware appends a special Tuborg extension to the file names. It tells the victim that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do immediately is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step. Wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated. After that, the scanning will begin. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner and to remove this malware or ransomware. Now, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information about how to possibly recover your data.